Green tea is a popular beverage made from unoxidized Camellia sinensis leaves. It contains high levels of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are believed to promote numerous health benefits. Regular consumption of green tea may help improve brain function, support weight loss, and reduce the risk of heart disease. It also contains a moderate amount of caffeine, which provides a gentle energy boost without the jitteriness associated with coffee. Green tea is known for its light, refreshing taste and is often enjoyed plain or with lemon and honey. It is widely consumed for both its flavor and health-boosting properties.